नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 23rd November 2020, and in this video we'll talk about my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is 24th November 2020. So let's see what happened in Nifty in last week. So if we actually look into Nifty, Nifty is actually into a range bound territory where it is the upper range is in the zone of 12,950 to 12,987, and at bottom close to around 1200 and 720 to 12,730. So that is how the Nifty is moving on. But internally, if you look into Nifty as a trend, you see that Nifty, the trend is upside. So it is above 20, it is above 50, and it is above 200 moving average day. On a daily basis, if you see, Nifty is definitely overstretched, very far away from 20 and very far away from 200. If you see, the 20-day moving average is now catching up because of this consolidation. Earlier, this 20 moving average a week back was somewhere around 12,000 level. Now it has moved up to 12,340 level. So the overstretched market either will get consolidated and the moving average will come closer to it, or it will correct towards the moving average. So there are two possibilities. It is not necessary that every overstretched market will correct. It will just consolidate in this zone, which is currently seen between 12,730 to 12,987. It will keep on consolidating and the 20-day moving average will come up. So for this Nifty, when we look into current SGX, currently SGX is quoting at 12,921. So somewhere below here, somewhere here. So I'm expecting that it will have some follow through. So for tomorrow, my trade plan for Nifty is as per my Camarilla. Let's look at the camera level for daily Camarilla. You see support at 12,887 and 12,847. So tomorrow the idea is to buy Nifty somewhere in this zone. We definitely stop loss at 12,850 or 12,850, and then enter a second lot because I'm expecting that Nifty will open at bottom. It will go up. It will again come down. It will again respect this level, and then it will go for high up. And it will reach to either the first target is 12,965, which is on our Camarilla 12,965, and the second is 13,005. So before expiry, you may see a 13,000 level. So that's the plan for Nifty with the target of 13,000 to 12,965. So that's the target. With the strategy to enter in this zone, keep the first stop loss, ride that stop loss the whole day. It will again correct somewhere from this level. Again at the bottom you enter, and this is the time when you revise your stop loss and then ride the full wave. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, if you see on a daily basis, Bank Nifty is also consolidating in the zone of 28,570 to 29,830 to 29,900 level. So that's a very big zone in which Bank Nifty is consolidating. Definitely the trend on daily as well as on 15 minute chart is up. So Nifty, Bank Nifty is somewhere between 20 and 200, below 8-day moving average. So Bank Nifty is looking little weak. So with if the Nifty is opening down, the Bank Nifty will also open below and might be below this 20-day, 200-day moving average. So idea is to buy a Bank Nifty on dip. So if I see my Camarilla, On Camarilla, I find Bank Nifty support, very strong support at 28,549. And 28,549, you have these three lines, which is weekly support, weekly S1, and last week closing or low. So this is a very strong support for Bank Nifty to break. So Bank Nifty will open low, it will come where somewhere here, and from there it will go up. So that is a trade which I will take. So Bank Nifty buy on dip. With Camarilla support, we will look for Bank Nifty to correct till 28,549 or 28,570. 549 to 570. Yeah, this zone. With a target of 29,241 and 29,471. 29,241. So somewhere here. 241 to 29,471. So you can go up to here. Yes. Let's see how Bank Nifty does tomorrow. So I use a very simple trade setup plan where I use my moving average Camarillas. If you like to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video on trade setup, which is end of my video, end of this video. If you feel that this discussion has added any value to your trade setup or your trade plan for tomorrow, then do cheers up, put your comments, and enjoy yourself. Stay healthy, have fun. Jai Hind. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade.